Hello and welcome to a new video here on my channel here at Commaik. I would like to install another lawn irrigation system in this area. The autumn is here and winter is just around the corner. This year nothing more will happen, but I will make the preparations this year to then do it here next year to install another lawn irrigation system. For this I will be installing the distribution box today. I will connect the supply lines that I have already laid during the year in lay the box. I will extend the supply lines that come from the gabion wall accordingly. And I am already thinking about how to get the water through the soil and under the walkway. I'll get to the box. If you want to see all of this, then stay tuned. It's starting soon. On this lawn area in front of my house, I would like to expand my existing lawn irrigation system. Expand. This area should also have the possibility to be irrigated in the summer. For this, I have already made some preparations in the last few years. You can see here the electrical conduit for the control cable and also the water pipe, which is under my gabion slope, runs under my gabion wall into the lower area of the garden. That is will also be connected later. The slope is also to be irrigated later with a drip tube or pearl hose. The walkway that I built this year, including the birdhouse behind it, there is an electrical conduit under the gravel and also a water pipe. The water pipe is visible. Come out of here. This pipe and also the pipe that comes from down here today it will be connected in the distribution box. Later, another water pipe is supposed to go over there. Go to this green box. From there, it goes to the other side of the sidewalk. I have already built it. You can find the video about it in the top right corner. However, today I will just make the preparations. I still have about 4 tons of topsoil left that I need to spread in this area. You can see that the walkway is significantly higher than the lawn. The area should be leveled as much as possible. This will allow the soil to settle nicely over the winter, can be compacted, and the grass seed might still take root. I will make the preparations today. I will take you along with me. I will show you how I install this distribution box and I will install the pipes in such a way that in the spring I only need to connect the fittings for the lawn sprinklers. I need to connect the other water pipes. To connect the empty pipe and the water pipe to my valve box. In order to be able to connect, I have already dug out this area. Here I will now install digging a trench. This trench will run along my walkway. These 2 pipes will also installed in the trench and laid directly into the valve box. I will take care of this trench. Now I will dig with the spade and I will excavate a hole into which the valve box will fit. I have dug the trench to a spade's depth. That's enough. The lawn irrigation system is emptied in winter using compressed air. The hole for the box is still not deep enough. Here I come back to my old problem. As you can see, it is located about 20 centimeters below the ground. There is a slag layer. The slag was generously used back then, distributed on the property. I now have to painstakingly dig it out and dispose of it separately. I have dug the hole for the box. It is crucial that the edges are deep enough. In the middle it can be a bit higher because the distributor will be laid flat. Then I can spread the soil and the granulate. The slag I have taken out is taken out from here. I will not dispose of the gravel and the large pieces, but rather directly. To use the box to carefully secure it, I will now open the pre-punched holes. Afterwards, the box will be aligned with the lawn border. Then I will add the gravel or carefully pour the granulate in and raise the box to the correct height and align it straight. box and ensured it was securely fastened with slag material and some laying gravel. The box I have was placed with precision and securely. I have it aligned so that the edge of my lawn edge flushes perfectly with the lid. The edge is carefully and precisely aligned, ensuring utmost precision. The box is slightly deeper. That should not be the measurement, otherwise a dent will form. The pipe that runs along under the sidewalk was cut significantly too long, and it was here. The distributor will be installed later. The distributor is designed so that the water flows into the distributor on the right and has 4 outlets. On the other side, there is another outlet to which this pipe is connected. The outlets will be equipped with valves or shut-off valves. The box is extremely sturdy. I can no longer wobble and fiddle here, even though I have only just filled in the gravel. I have not compacted anything yet. I have a side geotextile laid. This geotextile effectively prevents gravel from falling into the box. This is intended to will be avoided in any case. I will now use the soil that I have left to fill the area. I will push the pipe down and reinsert the turf. Then the soil can settle over the cold winter months and the grass seed is able to grow, thrive and continue to develop further. Next year, the new lawn irrigation system can finally be built. And now I am finished. This area is prepared and can only settle and solidify in winter. I have just under 4 tons of topsoil applied, leveled off, compacted with the lawn roller, and then a starter culture was added. Grass seeds have been sown. In this way I want to reduce weed growth so that I won't have too much work when I completely re-establish the lawn. The supply lines, I have left open the section that comes from the new distribution box to the gabion slope. I have here the old pipe that goes down, and I have the new pipe that I have pulled through from the distribution box. I have also laid an additional empty conduit for the electricity. Better to have it and not need it. The box is installed and secured. When I put the lid on, here you can see the water pipe that I have run to the gabion slope. Here is a long pipe that runs along under my walkway. Furthermore, the long electric and empty conduit runs and extends further. Also under the path to the birdhouse. This empty conduit runs to my gabion slope. The soil around the distribution box is compacted and the box is sitting stable. However, I will excavate the area again in the spring from over there along under the sidewalk. I would like to lay the pipe for the water supply. At the same time, 3 more should be placed here. Drains will be installed, among other things, for the other side of the driveway. Additionally, this should be done. The entire area also needs to be irrigated. For that, I need the appropriate pipes. The installation of the lawn irrigation system on this area, including the section up to and the surrounding areas, including the nearby sections and additional adjacent zones. I will show you the planned raised beds at the birdhouse in another video. This year, nothing will come of it. In the new year, I will, when the ground has settled and compacted, I will re-establish the lawn area. I will lay the water pipes and I will try out and install the lawn sprinkler. I'll take you along with me if you want to know how that goes. If you want to see how everything works and how I do it, then subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss anything. The new videos. I am really looking forward to a comment from you under the video. How did you like this video? What would you like to tell me? Of course, a like would also be great. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching and see you next time.